Okay, you guys, this is Sadie. This is hilarious. Okay, this is my new car. This is my new Pontiac Vibe car, and it has a Toyota engine in it, so it's not that bad of a vehicle. But what's interesting about it is I got a new oxygen sensor and I got a new alternator because I thought that those things were broken on it. So I let it sit overnight, a couple days, and it's working just fine. Now the check engine light is still on, right? But I think that alternator is from 2006. So yeah, I want to put my new my stereo in it because my Kia, I don't have I can't lock my Kia, and I have to connect wires to start it, and it's full of rust. So and then the Nissan broke, the engine broke on that, or the head gasket. So basically I could put the alternator in this. It has a new battery. I put spark plugs in it, and then I have an oxygen sensor. This is the upstream oxygen sensor. I have to have my boyfriend get the bolt off because it is hard to get the bolt off. There's the Kia in the background there. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, these machines are so weird because it was not working, and now it's working. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. But I am going to put these new parts in it. So the alternator, this one was, I could get $40 back from the core on this one. And this is from AutoZone, and it was the Duralast, not the gold one, which is one that's brand new. This is reconditioned, but it looks really good. And it was $140, and then you get $40 back for the core. And then I got this off Amazon. This is the upstream air sensor. It says air fuel sensor, and also it still smells like gas. It still smells a little bit like gas. So obviously I think the check engine light is still on. It probably will need the alternator in there anyway, because the other one looks like crap and it's from 2006, so I may as well put it in there. I'm not going to return it. And then this should help with the engine light. So we'll see. I will put these things in there, you guys. So I am so happy that it's running. I almost don't want to turn it off. Focus. So, yeah, and I want to put my stereo in here that I got because, like I said, I couldn't put the stereo in my Kia because you can't even lock the Kia. This at least has nice windows, tinted windows. It's a 1.8 liter engine, and it is, here's where the 4x4 would be. So it is only the two-wheel drive, which is okay. I mean, I don't live in Colorado or somewhere where there's mountains or whatever, so yeah, it has so this will fit my new stereo, and I have the capacitor for it, and I have it's like an 800 watt stereo. So I didn't have a vehicle nice enough to put it in. So that's just really cool that I actually have a vehicle that's nice enough to put in that stereo and amp and speakers that I got from Amazon 2 years ago. So happy holidays. Thanks for watching. I will I'll make a video, I'll take a picture of these installed or something and let you guys know if the check engine light goes off. But I'm very, very happy about it. Thanks for watching.